Hey, thanks for tuning in. My name is Dean Gozowsky, and I am standing here in the front yard of one of our newest listings, 279 Victorian Lane here in the beautiful town of Belleville. The colors are changing, the trees are beautiful, so is the house. Let's head on inside and have a peek. Now you gotta be wondering, how many bedrooms, Dean? That's easy. So we got 4 bedrooms here in this colonial, which means that you've got an upstairs and a downstairs type of a setup there. Okay, we've got 2.5 bathrooms. There's a powder room that's just off the foyer here, and then you've got an upstairs shared bathroom and the master ensuite with a stand-up shower. So this house is wonderful. We're standing right here in the dining area, and I'd like to take you on to the kitchen, which is just down the way here. Come on with me. Now here's the great thing about this kitchen and the whole house overall, is you've actually got big, bright windows. Now the window that's right over the kitchen sink here, you can actually get a view of your chicken coop, your garden, the back deck. It's a really wonderful place. Now, what's even more great is the fact that you got this great room, okay? You've got wonderful natural light. You look at those big half moon lights up there. You've got a balcony. I mean, you have the opportunity to buy a house right now that has its own balcony for less than $500,000. Think about that. You got the fireplace. Again, big windows back here. It is a wonderful place to just hang out and relax. Are you kidding me? Nope, not kidding. In fact, I've got another one for you. Since you're sitting down on the job, why don't I have them up here so I can show them the rest of the upstairs? There's 3 bedrooms on this side of the house. This first bedroom right in through here, it's got its own walk-in closet. And the coolest part about the whole place is, I just came right through here. Close that door, you got privacy here. You got your own private, semi-private bathroom with a with its own soaking tub and a shower, and you've got huge ceilings. You got these stair rails, they're good and sturdy. You've got cute little office spaces right through here. Check out this little lamp in here. I love that thing. You play your cards right, we'll throw that in on the deal. Down the stairs, up the stairs. We're gonna go right to the bath first because everybody's like, oh, well, I need a nice private bathroom, 2 sinks, stand-up shower. Well, we've got it. We've also got a vaulted ceiling in here. Lots of space to get ready in the morning. His and hers closets. Let's head back downstairs. Oh, don't forget that wall safe. Take another view of the great room and our buddy down there with the pillows. Let's come on out into the back patio. It's got brand new wood back here, recently rebuilt. You've got brand new planks here on this back deck here. You've got a natural gas source, so you can hook up your, there's not a lot of people that do that. It's, there's a little hookup right there where you just, basically, you don't have to use propane anymore, and now you're cooking with gas. This is a tiered deck. You come on down into the next little tier, and you set up your seating area and have a look at your yard. You got a tool shed back here that would make Tim the Toolman Taylor proud. You've got a chicken coop right next to it, and you've got a garden. This place has really got the goods. It's beautiful. It's probably might be the nicest house in the neighborhood. Hey, did you get that house sold yet? I'm actually glad you asked that question. I don't expect this house to actually last long. I think it's gonna sell quick. Now, it's got a lot going for it, this place. It's got a tankless hot water system. It's got a daylight basement. It's got a beautiful entertaining area, and it's for sale. If you're thinking about buying your next home in Belleville, I want you to consider giving this one a shot. 279 Victorian Lane. And if you need to get in touch with me directly, my name is Dean Gozowsky. I'm looking forward to your call.